All right, so this brings us to the next tool that I want to talk about, which is still found under the patch tool, is the spot healing tool. I usually do this for quick job, but no one uses this again. But a lot of people still use it though, but it's when the skin is rough, you can't use it. It's very hard. Now this is like a content aware technique also. It uses that method, so you just need to just go ahead, go over and just click on it. It's going to automatically remove it for you. So like that, remove all the blemishes. It's very fast, but sometimes it has limitation. It creates circles. Sometimes we want to do it somewhere here, it's going to create, you can see the circles is creating. So undo. So you can just quickly remove blemishes. You can use it somewhere here, it's going to create a circle. It's going to create all this rough circle. So the next one under it is the healing tool brush. This is the same thing as the spot healing tool brush, so only that you need to hold and hot to sample an area and then paint. So sample an area, paint, sample an area, paint, like this. You can just keep painting and it's just keep doing its thing. So I can sample this place and then I can paint, keep painting and all of that, like that, removing that. But this is not the best technique to use, and I'm just telling you about the tool. It's just for quick job, but who wants to do quick job? That is what, when you forget to use this, do some places when doing frequency separation, you can quickly pick up this tool and use them. So that's for this one. So the next tool I'm going to be showing you